What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be changing out this piece right here because there's a piece that just kind of popped right out from it. So we picked up this little replacement part here from Danco, and we actually picked it up from Lowe's. Came with a bunch of adapters, so let's see how we do this. Well, I'm not a plumber, but one of the safe things that I'm going to try to do is I always try to turn off the water before I start messing with plumbing. So I'm going to go righty-tighty, turn this one off, and there's another one over here that I'm going to try to turn that off too. So right there, if you can see it. So righty-tighty both of those, and then I'm going to move back up. This is the replacement part right here. You can see this piece that's already in here. And it looks a little bit larger than this piece here, and that's the piece that popped out. So I don't know where you could actually get this piece by itself, but we can figure this one out. This is a nut, so I'm just going to try to just loosen it a little bit. Let's see, let's go lefty. Is it this way? There we go. Never try to over tighten something. If it feels like you're trying to tighten it, don't go in that direction. So pop that right out, and this is what it looks like. We have these 3 adapters, and I gotta see which one of these fits this piece right here. I'm gonna guess it's this one. Whoops. All right. Just going to give it a little turn just to see if it'll fit. Yeah, there you go. Make sure you don't cross thread it. So it feels like it's kind of going in crooked. Unscrew it and pull it back out. All right, so this is good. This actually fits. Okay, here's the replacement part. I'm going to put the larger part in here. And then I'm going to screw this part up in here. No tools. Alright, so before we turn on the water up top, I gotta turn the water back on here. So I'm gonna go lefty-loosey here and lefty-loosey on that one so I can get my water back on and then move back up. We're back up top, and so you see that this is nice and tight. We'll turn it on, test this out. That looks good, no leaks. So I'm looking pretty good. Just remember, I am not a plumber. If you are not comfortable doing any of this stuff, don't do it. So this is the pull-down spray head replacement from Danco, and that is pretty much what we picked up to change it out. If you have any questions or comments, put it on down below. Otherwise, hit that like, subscribe, and the bell button. Thanks a lot.